y'all. Been off at college and feels good to be back home. Getting everything out of the barn today. Going in for the spreader tires. That's gonna be the change today. It's gonna be a long afternoon. I'd like to start off this video and say thank you first off for watching, and second of all, if you like what you see, share it with your buddies, share it with your friends, hit that like button on that video, maybe hit that subscribe if you feel so inclined. But the spring prep is in full force around Black Farms. Get the sprayer out now. Gotta get the fat tires on the sprayer to get the wheat sprayed, so I gotta pull it out of the back of the barn here. Wow, I'm not allowed to get on this rig much. Sorry there's been kind of a lapse here and everything, but I've been off at college and haven't really been home much. Not a lot's been going around on the farm. The weather kind of sucks, but today it's 65 degrees and sunny, so get these tires switched. I knew the antique this morning. Oh, that was a good cold start up. Now I gotta go find the sprayer in the barn. But yeah, feels good to be back. Graduating college in a month, so get ready for lots of videos. But we got several of these lug nuts that are stripped out, so another trip to John Deere. But hopefully the old time lapse got some good video of us getting those tires switched. Phew, it's a tiring job. Took a couple hours, but I need to get some new batteries in this girl. She's charging, but this is my parade tractor. Keep tuned. She'll go through the actual 4th of July parade. It's a ball. That thing cackles. Taking this video, part 3. So yesterday, we had a meeting last night, so got cut short yesterday, but as you can see, got started rebuilding the corn planter. Doing good. This is row 6 of 16, so we're getting there. See, this is the new smart firmer. We're getting ready to run. There's 4 of these across the planter. Brand new C2 protectors are going on. Brand new coilers are going on. It's a shot. Dad already put the no-tills on, so he left the hard job for when I'm home, which, if any of you guys are following the news right now, I'm sure you see all this craziness about the coronavirus, so expect more videos because Ohio State has classes online, so I'll be home. But yeah, we want to get this planter all rebuilt. And Milwaukee, if you're watching this, I'm down for sponsorship because I need some battery powered tools, and helps the young farmer be more successful. So if you're watching it, looking for a YouTube star to sponsor, up and coming YouTube, give me a sponsor. Well, I would like to thank you guys for watching. Sorry that the video got cut off earlier. We did get the planter done. We had some company stop by the farm and an important meeting to go to, but in the meantime, putting the exhaust in the old 7.3. So with that, thank you all for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, please be so kind, drop a like, subscribe. My Instagram is linked here in the end. You're more than welcome to follow it. And more than anything, thank you guys for your support. And I hope with you guys we can make a community here that grows. Because, I mean, we're all farmers and we have a story to tell. And I'm telling mine through a GoPro Hero 7. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.